How to see transaction history on Bitrue. Are you guys facing issue to see transaction history on Bitrue? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To view your transaction history, first of all, open the Bitrue app on your mobile device. Once you open the Bitrue app, now just simply log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, now just simply look at the bottom of your screen where you'll be able to see this option called Wallet or Assets. Tap on it. After you click on it, now select the cryptocurrency you want to take. Then tap Transaction History or History. Here you will see all your past transactions including deposit, withdrawals, buys, sale, and conversions. You can also filter by the date, type, or currency to find a specific transaction. Tap any transaction to see full details like amount, date, and transaction ID. However, I haven't any kind of trading assets or trading cryptocurrencies. So if you do have, then apply these settings to find out your trading history or transaction history. And that's it, guys. That's how we're going to see transaction history on Bitrue. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.